4 days of food and drink needed for this trip. No worries. Why? We got Ingle coolers, man. We got this.
Like right out by this tree up here, there's like a deep cut right off that corner. Oh, got her, got her. Got her, Ben. Musky. Oh, nice fish, big fish. Didn't take us long to get that 4X bent over. Oh, she just came out and absolutely inhaled my fly. Trying to keep her pinned here. She looks pretty stuck. Beautiful fish. Uh-oh. Whew, a little sketchy on the net job, but boy, that did not take long. We're up here, we're in some colder water. We paid attention as we came from the lake into here. Cold water, we're happy. Didn't even get all the way in the river here. Nice 40-inch, beautiful, beautiful fish. Crushed a fly, absolutely ate it, gone sideways. Whew. I say it every time. This fly fishing gets my heart just beating. Let's get this girl out and take a look. We got more fish to catch. We just got started. That G Loomis Pro 4X, boy, I tell you what, it's lucky anyways, man. We came right in here. I'm just getting dialed in with throwing that 7.6. We have a really small river here. We're making short casts. No need to be flinging around a 9-foot rod here. So far, so good. Great rod for fighting that fish. This is a good size fish here. You saw as that rod loaded, I had plenty of backbone to hoist that thing in the net by myself. So far, absolutely 2 thumbs up on that G Loomis Pro 4X. Give it a shot. Oh boy, I tell you what, just an absolutely gorgeous fish. And look at that fly, just gone. Heavy, well-built, strong river fish. Woo, what a way to start a trip off. Just a Tankosaurus. Look at the fins on her. That fish has been around the block. Let's get her back in the water, get her a drink. Absolutely gorgeous fish.
Hey, Ralph Punzel.
Oh, hey, Ronnie.
Where are you headed?
Great clips.
You're getting a haircut?
I checked in already. Using their online check-in.
Online check?
It saves you time.
You're getting a haircut.
Why?
Thinking about applying to astronaut school.
That's cool.
Okay, I'll see you, Ronnie.
Next time, save time. Download the online check-in app today. Great clips. It's gonna be great.
To the top. Oh, big buck. Really? Oh, yeah. Jeez. You're sitting right on that stick. Jeez, threw right in that thing. You're sitting right on it, dude. She's gonna eat. How nice was that? 40? A little bit smaller than the last one. Super nice one. I guarantee you, a little hefty, chunky nutty one. Yeah. I guarantee you, you'll probably be shocked at probably. Got her. Oh, she just plowed it. Oh my God, that was a way bigger fish, Dave. Save that file. Oh my God, she just plowed it. Really, go back in there. Get the big camera. Get the big camera. You know. Just absolutely T-bone plowed it. Right there. Oh, dude. I don't know if that was the same fish. What the hell is that? What? Big mud. Oh, I stirred up the bottom. Trolling on it.
Day one would come to a close for Dave and Ben. With one muskie in the boat, it was time to head back and make plans for the next day, like heading west to the St. Louis River.
But yeah, it goes through most weeds pretty good. I mean, you know, it's like a... I got one. It's real big. Oh, stand down. Oh, musky, man. It's a musky. It's a pike. Giant fish.
Good pike.
Well, everybody, there it is. First fish of the day here on St. Louis River for Benny and I, and it's a pike. We just got started here and we're going to get going here today. Fish are feeding, that's a good sign. The pike are always feeding though.
For 2016, Skeeter is introducing the MX 2040. It comes with the Yamaha SHO and a long list of features that fishermen want. It's a 20-foot fiberglass fishing boat that's perfect for the musky angler and available at an amazing package price. Check out the largest selection of MX 2040s at the Skeeter Boat Center. They're online at skeeterboatcenter.com. Yup, you're gonna want one. We're always dealing with something. It's either super heavy winds, extreme heat, or extreme cold. But one thing is an absolute for sure fact. We have to fish. In our line of work, the show must go on. That's why we depend on Odyssey, the extreme batteries. We buy the best boats, electronics, and fishing equipment. Why would I skim on the most important piece of equipment? Our batteries.
Right on, man.
Nice. That broke the ice.
Put that on the little one, the
crusher.
Crusher, man.
And we're actually bringing the crusher back, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Really, very cool. And it's on the crusher again. That's 3 in a row. Man, big head shakes, big head shakes.
Some things are built right from the start, and when it comes to musky rods, the Bulldog Pro Series rods, well, they're that built right thing. The Bulldog Pro Series is tough as nails, odd cutter, she's in the bag, piece of equipment I can't do without. These rods pioneered big bait throwing technology, and you know what they say, throw big baits, get big fish. Bulldog rods, tough as a dog, and that ain't no bull.
Mike and I and Ben were up here earlier in the season. Let's check out some of that footage right now.
The musky hunt begins now. The second week of June, Ben, Dave, and I fished the St. Louis River. With cool water temps and cold front conditions, we fished for 2 days only to catch a couple of pike and 2 lazy follows. All that work, at least 20 hours on the water. These are the hours that nobody sees.
That's up there.
Hey, shut the troll motor off, bud. Oh, this one.
Oh man, nice job, Dave.
I mean, you're ready, Benoit. He's got that back hook good. Big boys.
That's a nice fish, Dave.
Hit her twice. I felt it, and all along this little hole we're fishing, right, it's full of logs, so you got to really be careful.
Incredible amount of structure here.
So, felt a little tick. I thought it was wood, and all of a sudden hit her again, and wham. Man, that's a nice fish, too. Beautiful fish. Second opportunity of the day. Mike had one earlier on a bulldog.
I'm throwing the new Dying Dog by Musky Innovations, and I'll tell you what, this year it's really been bringing some fish up for us. But there's what it is. It paid off right there, eh, Benny?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Nice fish.
Thing crushed it too. That's awesome.
See anything, Dave? You need a cutter, or fly, or both?
All right, there it is. Little Keys Outdoors action. Nice fish on the St. Louis River today, guys. Dying Dog is what did it here. New product by Musky Innovations. Go check it out. We're gonna put her on the board here. Real nice. I'll tell you what, these fish hard bump boards, just look at that. Lays right on the board. And that's right, 40 incher. Nice 40 incher. Nice river fish. Tell you what, guys, we're just starting our trip. Mike had one on earlier, and that's a nice fish. We're gonna get her back in the water.
This trip we would spend over 30 hours casting like maniacs to get one bite. So if you were ever under the impression that every time we go out we catch muskies, well, now you know the truth. Just not so.
That was what I had. Those are my choices. Something boiled up there.
There he is. Nice one. Nice musky. Come on.
He's still there, Dave. Yep. There he is. Keep going, Dave. He's still there. He wanted it fast, man. That's cool. Oh man, I didn't get a real good hook set on him. I just had pulled and ripped. First muskie we seen of the trip. You know, guys, I've been fishing this for many, many years, and you can't go wrong with any type of a crankbait. And what I'm using here today is a little Crave by Musky Armor, and I'll tell you what, they've been with us for a long time, and they make a great product. Caught a lot of fish on these baits. Real easy to run. They stay nice and true. Just tell you, wasn't a big fish, but got my heart pumping. Dang.
We've been on this adventure for the last 3 days, and this has been the hot lure, and we only have one left, but we know what to do, right, Dave?
Yeah, Mike, I'm already a step ahead of you. Got it right here on joesportinggoods.com.
Sweet! Check.
From Musky Innovations for 2016 is a redesigned Pro Dog. We've added an extra joint inside the bait so they're extra flexible, and we've taken the weight and we've moved it forward and down, and what that creates is that head down action when you rip the bait, and you get that like curling action like this, and it really gives it a lot of hop, and you get tons of reaction strikes out of it. It also helps the bait to run a little bit deeper, and now we also have it in the regular size Bulldog.
I got him. Oh boy, David. Woohoo! Nice, Musky. Tell you what. I don't want to hurt him, so I'm going to net him here right away. But tell you what, there's been a flurry of action here. Ben had up a nice tiger muskie, and I just had up two in the last. Got her. Nice little muskie. I'll tell you what, guys, Benny and I have been having a blast fly fishing and cranking, running all over, chasing muskies in different areas on these little tributaries to big tributaries like the St. Louis River here, and we've been having a ball. And I'll tell you what, you can't beat that. Summertime, we're gonna get her back right away. It's not a big muskie. We're gonna just get her in the water here. Muskie fishing is about reading and reacting. Don't throw the rule book out the window when you're out here on the water. When you have action, interpret the information you're getting and make good decisions. I'm gonna go back to a fly. That stop and go retrieve seems to be doing real good. We can get right on top of these fish and make short little accurate casts right to the weed pods they're sitting in. I think it could be super effective. I like that the fish are starting to come. Look at the weed clump right here. Oh, got her, got her, got her, got her. Nice one. I made 2 casts with that fly. Oh. I think we may have figured something out here. Beautiful St. Louis River pike on a fly. Woo! That was my second cast. It stopped my heart. We got to get going. They are snapping right now. Oh, got him. Nice. Musky, musky. Barely hooked. Oh, funny. Wait. Wait till he turns. Oh, come on. Oh, don't get in there. Get him. That's the white one. And shut that drum around. Just barely had him stuck on that showgirl. Beautiful little fish. You know, let's get her back. You know, when we're talking about hot water, guys, you want to remember that. Get them unhooked, get them back fast, especially if it's a smaller fish. We got plenty of pictures of those size fish.
The St. Louis River is always good for a guaranteed bite. She's been known to give up lots of bites as well. In the past, we've had some awesome number days fishing this mighty river.
All right, well, that's a wrap for us. Ben and I had a great time. We were up on the St. Louis River here to end our trip. We did some small tributaries, and you know, midsummer times, what do we got to look for, Ben?
Cold water. Cold water, we found bait, we found big pike, and we found a lot of muskies.
We had a great time.
Absolutely.
Hey, from all of us at Keys Outdoors, thanks a lot for tuning in, and we'll see y'all next week.
Keys Outdoors and Quick Trip have teamed up once again for another Muskie Adventure contest. One lucky winner and a guest will spend a day out on the water with Mr. Dave Brown. But that's not all. You will also receive a $100 Quick Trip gift card. To enter, text KEYS to 77887. Message and data rates may apply. For official rules and free means to enter, visit quicktrip.com. Keys Outdoors would not be possible without the support of these awesome sponsors.